Welcome, new members. The Oxford Dictionary defines loyalty as the quality of being faithful in your support to someone. The Urban Dictionary defines loyalty as... No, never mind. It was on this day, 10 years ago, that our club's inspirational founder, Brian, from Customer Retention, had a vision. A vision which was caused by an unfortunate gas leak. But, among other more vivid and frightening hallucinations, he imagined a new kind of loyalty club. The Supercheap Auto Club. The most loyal loyalty club in the world. And I'm proud of each and every one of you and what you've accomplished to be here. Namely, having a valid email address or a phone number, plus our password of 10 to 20 characters, including an uppercase and a lowercase letter, and one number. And now that you are one of us, you will never truly be alone, because we will send you marketing emails from time to time, but also bonus credit. So, which is yours to cherish or to spend on seat covers. Because at Supercheap Auto, we know that loyalty is not a one-way street. No, it's more like a cul-de-sac or a circuitous boulevard. Yes. So where the love that you show to us will be returned to you in spades. Like the sturdy yet compact SCA camping shovel. But should a spade, or any other product you buy, go on sale within 14 days after purchase, we will give you the difference in credit. Because to not let you know about a better deal would be disloyal. Like a shepherd abandoning their flock. Or like an iconic car race on Mount Panorama leaving its major sponsor after 16 years. But I digress. As you become part of this club, it is important that you remember the first rule of Supercheap Auto Club. Please, talk about Supercheap Auto Club. Tell your friends and family. Tweet about it even. It has been said that this is the yacht club of automotive loyalty clubs. But unlike a yacht club, boat shoes are never required. and there is not one Commodore, but many thousands of the VL, VX, VN variety. So, as you receive your card today, show it with pride, so that people everywhere know that you belong to the most loyal loyalty club in the world, or at least in the wider oceanic Antipodean I can never say that word. Well, I'm nearly halfway through.
Sorry, can I go?
Welcome, new member. The Oxford Dictionary defines loyalty